I spin like a washing machine to clean dirt and dust surrounding my small world. My old pricking pains are veiled under my rosy smiles on lips that's encrypted on the home trim. I dance like summer rains to pour my pain of unfulfillment on the day's sunburned courtyard. And finally I weave a peaceful nest of a weaver bird swinging in the air throughout my sun-shadow days. Day's end, I stand tacitly like a damp mountain where saffron twilight adores the very earth, kissing with deep dusk love. And I pray to my Lord unnumbered twinkling lamps crowding over my head in the oncoming dark night that would uncannily pour at last to envelop the entire sunshine tardily like a snail.